you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we rockin' Walmart chic with that crazy hair and no bra and a big old moo. Oh my god. Okay, so today I wanted to make a vegan version of something that I used to have that my college roommate's mom used to make us all the time. It had spent years and years and years, and now, okay, it's a Hungarian dish that's fried cabbage with noodles. Now, she called it Haluska. Okay, please don't come at me because apparently there's a bunch of different countries and a bunch of different ways to say it. So there's also Haluski. There's it's from Poland and Sweden and Norway and all these places. But how I know it is Haluska, Hungarian. Oh my god, I'm got all confused. Geography, why? I don't know her. So I wanted to make it vegan for you guys, and I'm going to switch it up just a little bit than I'm used to having it because I want to try it different way that I saw on Google as well. Now, if you guys want to help donate to my channel, you can via PayPal. Seriously, you guys, every dollar counts. Girl, this is why we having this cheap ass dinner right here, okay? So you can donate via PayPal to Midnight Munchies and more at yahoo.com. And don't forget, you can buy my ecookbook on Etsy, which is on sale, 10% off. Secret recipes from a vegan bakery, 46 of them, gluten-free recipes in there as well, extra tips and tricks. Oh, okay, let's jump into a Walmart chic. Not all Haluska recipes have sausage in them, but the way I always had it did, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm using Light Life's Gimme Lean Veggie Sausage, plant-based. I've used this many times on my channel. So we're going to get this in our pot. Now, I actually already boiled our eggless egg noodles. I know, can you believe it? I'll pop up a picture right here. I got them at Walmart. Believe it or not, great value. Walmart's brand has eggless egg noodles. So I already boiled those up. You can certainly boil those at the same time that you're making this mixture. But if you've been watching my channel, only one of my burners works. So this is the same pot that I boiled them in. And I'm going to break up this sausage and get it cooking. Our vegan sausage isn't completely done cooking, but now that we've got it all ground up and beautiful, and again, you can skip the sausage part, the vegan sausage part if you want, if you're low on budget, whatever, totally fine. It's still absolutely delicious. So now I'm going to add a fuck ton of vegan butter. So that's probably about 3/4 of a cup, and we're going to start letting that, oh my god, melt down, because then to that, we're going to add one whole red onion as well, and a whole green cabbage that has been cut. So as you can see, I cut this. I didn't buy this. This isn't a bag. I didn't buy this at Walmart for $1.50. These are not bags of cabbage. I actually cut this myself. I'm completely kidding. I'm a lazy ass bitch. So that's the whole fun of this recipe, is it's an easy, quick, cheap dinner for the weeknight. So we have that in there. Don't worry, it's all going to lose its water just like spinach and decrease by a lot. Now that our cabbage and onions are all fried and our sausage is all sausagey and our noodles are all noodly, we're gonna mix these together. Now, the way I used to have it was I just add some salt and a lot of pepper. You want a lot of pepper all up in here and mix it up and you're good to go. But as I was looking at other recipes on Facebook or on Google because I wanted to know, I don't know, am I just making this up? Is this not a real dish? Do other people know about this? I saw that some people use some sour cream. So I'm going to try it this way this time. So this is Wayfair's vegan sour cream. This is half of a container, so about 8 ounces. Then we're just going to give her a mix until she's all ready and add more salt and pepper to taste if we need. You guys, look at her. Oh my god, she looks like everything I want her to be. Okay, let's get right in here, get some sausage. Whoa. Whoa. I really like that addition of sour cream. It tastes like college. It makes a huge thing too for super cheap. This is gonna feed us for 3 days. Meal plan prep. Who? full written recipe will be linked below. I'm going to do some more. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you next time. Love you, bye!
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.